everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to be redipping this painting because I just don't like it. And there's no point in keeping a painting that you don't like. I mean, let's face it, there's just no point. If you can redip it, then redip it. This is the painting I did on the same day as that one, and I like this one. It came out much better than that one. So yeah, I like that one. And then of course there's that one, which is still probably my ultimate favorite painting I've ever done. I absolutely adore this painting, absolutely love it. So yeah, why, like I said, why keep a dip that you don't like? I mean, it's okay, but it can be better. Let's put it that way. So I've taped up the back, I've put my push pins in, and let's fix this painting. So I think you'll remember when we did this painting that I added silicone into this purple, and it did create these pretty cells. I think you can see it. So I think I am going to add silicone into one of my colors again when I redo this painting now. Okay, you'll see that I have marked off on the plastic again the size and the shape of the canvas so that I know where to put the paint. Okay, I think I am going to put some silicone in this color. So I'm just going to put 2 drops like that and mix it up. And then again, we're just going to move this paint around so that it will be the size and the shape of the canvas. This plastic is not very flat, but it shouldn't make a difference. So I put black plastic down as I always do, and luckily I realized there was a hole. There was a hole in the plastic, and lucky I saw that before I put a whole lot of paint over it. Okay. Gonna put a little bit of black down. I'm going to put some turquoise. I'm going to put some green. And I'm going to put some light blue or a different blue, I don't know, different blue. I'm going to put some orange. I'm going to put some yellow. I'm going to put some of this one that I put the silicone in. Okay. A little bit of gold. And I think more of that, and a little more of this, and that should really be enough paint and enough color. Okay, here we go. Painting in, or canvassing shall I say. And now we're just going to push down, not too hard. We don't want all the paint to just come out from under this canvas, but we do just need to make sure it's all covered. Go around the edges with the palette knife. And that's it. Okay, are we ready? Let's go. Okay, when I tried to lift it, it was just lifting the whole plastic packet. So let's try again. That's better, I think. Still lifting it, but just keep going. Oh, goodness me. Well, I do like that. That looks a lot better. I can even tilt it a little bit to just get that off the bottom. No, it doesn't want to come off. Okay, I can tilt it again. I mean, I can dip it again. Like that. There we go. Well, now that does look better. Problem solved. Let me show you. I mean, that does look better. So I need to maybe just go over it with a heat gun quickly. Let me get that.